Are you tired of seeing the Steam unable to sync error every time you try to play your favorite game? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you a complete guide to fix this issue quickly and easily. In just a few minutes, you'll be back to gaming without interruptions. First, make sure your Steam app is open on your desktop. If it isn't, simply click on the Steam icon to launch it. Once it's open, log into your account by entering your username and password. Double-check your credentials to avoid any typos. Then click Sign In. Once you're logged in, head to the top left corner and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Cloud tab and make sure the option to enable Steam Cloud is turned on. This feature is essential because it allows your game data to sync with Steam's cloud servers, which often resolves sync issues. If the problem persists, the next step is to check the specific game causing trouble. Go to your game library, right-click on the game, and select Properties. Inside the Properties menu, click on the Installed Files tab, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for any missing or corrupted files and automatically replace them if necessary. Still seeing the error? Don't worry, there's more. Go back to Settings from the Steam menu, then click on Downloads. Here, you'll find an option to clear your download cache. Clearing the cache can improve performance and fix a variety of issues, including syncing problems. Finally, if none of the above works, there's one last solution. Go to your library, click on the three dots next to your game library, and select Repair Library. This can fix any underlying issues affecting your library files and often resolves persistent sync errors. By following these steps, you should be able to eliminate the Steam unable to sync error for good. Now, you can enjoy your games without interruptions and keep your progress safe in the cloud. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Happy gaming!